Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dara and today I have another fabulous new tapping script for you. This script is going to be perfect for you if you are struggling for ideas as to what to post on social media. It could be that this is a pattern for you, that you regularly struggle to come up with content ideas, or it could be that you're just having a day of feeling uninspired. Either which way, this will be a great tapping script for you to work through. So let's begin. You might want to take a sip of water just to kick off, and then you're going to follow me. So you're going to follow the words that I say, repeating them after me, tapping through the different tapping points, starting first with tapping on the side of your hand. I have no idea what to post on social media. I know it's a great way to promote my business. I know it will help me make more sales. And I also know that I have endless things to talk about when it comes to my business. But whenever I sit down to write or record something for social media, I draw a blank. I start doubting that I'm as smart as I think I am. I start doubting that I'm as interesting as I think I am. I start doubting whether people will even like what they see, or whether they'll take me seriously. And sometimes I doubt whether building my social media presence will actually help my business. There's no guarantee that all that time and effort will convert. Especially if I don't do it right. Even though I regularly feel like I have no idea what to post. Or how to make my content effective. I deeply and completely love and respect myself. I accept all the choices I've made. Even the ones that haven't panned out long term. And I forgive anyone else who's played a part in me feeling this stuck. Okay, take a nice breath in. Tapping through the rest of the tapping points now. I'm stuck. I have no idea what to post on social media. Objectively, I know there are lots of things I could talk about. There are so many fascinating things I could share about my business. Perspectives I know my audience won't have considered. Tips that could be life-changing. Yet I still feel stuck. There are so many people who do what I do. And sometimes I feel like they're already saying everything I could say. And they're probably saying it better. I question if I have anything new or different to add. Because I see these people showing up consistently. And showing up loudly. I see them having an idea and running with it. And I see their efforts paying off, converting into clients. That's what I want too. I'm not jealous exactly. I'm just frustrated. A feeling I'm plagued with a lot. Because I know I could be doing better. And I'm simply not. I'm staying stuck. I'm refusing to take action. I'm focusing more on the strategy than the implementation. I'm spending more time on training than connection. And I know that's not the smartest move. What's extra maddening is that sometimes I'm at the other extreme. Overwhelmed by so many ideas that I don't know where to start. It's equally as stressful having too many ideas. And no clue how to get them moving. Because the result is the same. Minimal presence. Minimal connection. Minimal conversion. I can't help but pick myself apart when this is the reality. And I end up questioning everything. Does it all need to be published in a particular order? Should I wait for a particular holiday or launch period? Does this topic sound too much like what so-and-so was talking about? Will they think I'm copying? Do I need to do this? Do I need to do that? All of these questions swirling around my head just make me feel stuck again. So I don't post anything. Or I move reactively and post something random and irrelevant. Just so that there's something going out. At best, I'll post coherently for a short burst of time. While I'm still feeling inspired. But then, nothing. Tumbleweed. I know that's not the way to build my business. It's not the way to create real community online. And yet, I can't seem to pull myself out of the haze. I see other people show up consistently and dazzle. They take action on their ideas. And they do it well. They pace themselves. And it allows them to create a recognizable profile. A presence that their audience can trust. I want that. I want to be seen and valued as an expert. I want to be considered a go-to resource. Someone who shares real value and creates real impact. And I know I'm not going to achieve that. If I keep going the way I'm going. So I'm making a change. I'm committing to being more intentional with the content I put out there. And channeling my creativity with focus. Creating content that is fun for me to work on. And fun for my followers to consume. And all of this fun content will be relevant to you. It will establish me as an expert. It will increase my audience. And it will lead the most aligned followers to my paid offers. It will flow and feel easy. So that's what I'm committing to. I'm an expert. I'm a leader. I'm a creator that people are eager to follow. I show up regularly in a way that interests me. I always have fresh and exciting ideas. I don't get distracted by fads. And I don't get distracted by what other people are doing. I only ever get inspired. My community comes back to my profile day after day. They love hearing from me. They know what they can expect from me. Inspiration, insight, education, entertainment. I feel so unblocked now. The ideas are flowing. I'm creating with ease. It no longer feels like effort. I can show up and be myself. And even if there are people out there covering the same topics, I know my way is different. Okay, deep cleansing breath. Follow up this tapping with drinking plenty of water and taking it easy if you need to. You'll also want to keep a journal handy just to capture any thoughts that come up as you go about your day. And remember, tapping does have a compounded effect, so you may want to revisit this script again in the future. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you go so that you don't miss my next upload, and I will see you there.